Hey guys, this is Al with My Tesla Journey, and if you're looking for really quality seat covers for your Model 3 or your Model Y, well, I hope you watch this video. It is not sponsored. I bought these seat covers about 4 months ago, and I want to share my experience with you. I am amazed at the quality, so let's check this video out. Hi, it's Al with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. Now, before we get started, let me just mention they make 3 types of sets. So they make the front set, but then they make a Model 3 full set, all right? That's front and back. They make a Model Y full set. That's front and back. All right, so we'll make sure links are in the description for all 3 types of sets. Don't forget the front is compatible with the Y and the 3. All right, but if you do get the full set, then you would get a Model 3 set or a Model Y set. They do come in 4 different colors. Let me pull up a slide so you can see them. And later on in the video, I'm going to show you some more detailed pictures on the other colors. But they come in black, they come in cream, they come in red, and they even come in a blue with a white insert, as you could see on the screen there. Again, links will be in the description, but let me jump in and go over this video with you. Those of you wondering if the seat covers are actually compatible with the refresh Model 3, known as 2024, I will put a note in the video description, so give me a few days after the video launch. I should hear back from the manufacturer if they're compatible again with the newer Model 3. All right, so I want to take a few minutes and talk about these seat covers. Again, not sponsored. I bought this about 4 months ago, and I've been using them, and I've got about 11,000 miles now on the Tesla. I've even used these to see if the heat comes through, and I had no issues. And that's important also, because this is a Model 3 2023, very similar to the Model Y. So if you buy these, you should probably be able to get the same ones for the Model Y. I'll put links in the description, but let me talk to you about the quality. I mean, these seat covers are made extremely well. And I'm going to talk a little bit about installation, but I'm not covering installation, so just be aware. But I saved some video to show you what the packaging looks like, show you what parts you get, and just talk a little bit about maybe some of the complications, mostly due to the instructions. I'll be honest with you, the instructions weren't that good. But when you look at these are made extremely well. Now, this is the driver's seat. And as you can see, you know, it goes all the way up. It pulls down nice. It fits nice. You know, they get tucked inside. I haven't had any slippage issues. These stay on. And as you can see, it wraps all the way around, which is nice. And again, I haven't had any slippage or movement issues. Let me take you over to the back of the vehicle now. First of all, this is that original synthetic leather, right? And people are like, why did you buy black seat covers for, you know, your Tesla? And I'm like, I really wanted the protection, you know. I'm eating in the car, I'm living in the car, and I just wanted to protect my investment so that the original seats were really, really nice on the day that I actually went to sell them. But again, original here. Look at the back of this for a minute. So if I start up here, again, quality. I have no issues whatsoever months after using them. And again, I'm the driver, so I'm using the driver's seat like crazy. And as you can see here, you've got a nice holder here, so you can put something in the back. Again, made well. You could hardly tell that this is actually not an original seat cover. Now, you could see one of the straps, and again, I'm not going to cover installation, but I'll talk a little bit about it because I did record some video, so I'll share that with you in a minute. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Here's the passenger seat, and again, you could see the zipper. So the zipper is going to be on the inside of the seat, as it would be on the driver's side. All right, but really made very well. I am so happy. You know, again, I got some of the boys hanging out back here kicking the back of the seat. Well, they're not kicking the original seat, which is nice. So pretty darn cool. Really good investment. This is what the original packaging looks like. And this is the instruction guide. I'm going to open this up. I'll lay everything out so you can see what's included. This did come shipped in a box. But again, it is a carry bag. It is zippered all the way around, and you can put your old seat covers in here if you want. So here's what you get in the box. You got the passenger and the driver seat cover. You get the bottoms for the passenger and the driver, and then you get this for the armrest. And I didn't use this because I already had my own. And then you get the hooks and everything. Now when you look at the instructions, there's a front part that says front seat installation if you only get the front seat. But if you get the front and the back, they have the instructions in the back for the rear installation. Wasn't too bad, you know, but bottom line, for me to install this wasn't so bad. You know, it basically you're using these hooks like they're showing you, and you're tucking it in. So you know, it was a little tricky initially, but I actually found the way to install them. And again, I'm not covering installation. I just thought I would record this for my introduction video on the product. So here is the passenger side again. You know, nothing majorly different looking at it from the driver's side. You know, it's the same seat, but again, the quality, I just couldn't complain, to be honest with you. I really, really like it. And now, you know what I'd like to do is maybe just show you some other products that I use at the end of this video. And if you want, check them out. But definitely like this product, and to me it was worth every penny. All right. So like I said, I will show you the recommended products that I use towards the end of the video. But let's go over some stuff here. So again, there's three options, right? The Model 3 and Y front set, or the Model Y full set, which is the back and the front, or the Model 3 full set, which is back and front. And then it does come in 4 colors. Let me show you the colors. So you see black already in the car. Cream looks kind of nice, red, and then they've got that blue with the white insert. And here's what the front and the back look like, the best I could do on some of these images. So you'll see the front and then you can see the back, what they're doing there. And then here is a before and after, right? So left side is black, right side would be with the new blue. And then here are some larger pictures. So here's a larger picture of blue, a larger picture of cream, a larger picture of red, and again a larger picture of the black. After I purchased the Tesla, I really decided, let me just try to keep it as clean as possible. And I was looking for an all-purpose cleaner. And this is good for the dash, it's good for the seats, it's good for anything, you know, not the outside of the car, but definitely in the inside. I can clean almost anything with this. And so I went and picked this up on Amazon. I use this cloth. Again, really good to clean the seats, which is nice, you know, if you have any type of dirt or anything that's even stubborn. I use a soft cloth like this, and it picks up the greases, it picks up the dirt. It does a really good job. And again, I do the same thing on the dash as well, and on the door and on the sides here. It works really, really well. So definitely one of the products I'd recommend, and I'll put the link in the description because I'm impressed. I don't know if you noticed the mats that I'm using. I did a video on this, by the way, if you want to really see some close-ups and some details, but very, very nice. Again, I bought this. This was almost one of my first purchases. I got it in the back, and I've got it in the front. I'll show you it real quick. Let me show you the back, but I like that it rolls up and prevents spills from going anywhere else, which is nice. Let's take a look at the back. So here's the back, and again, you could see here, right? I can vacuum this up in a little while, but this thing goes all the way around, and has really, saved me from, just taking care of the carpet. The set also came with a trunk liner also. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put an image up to the video right there so you could see the video that I did. I'll put a link in the description as well. Again, love this, bought it myself, not sponsored. And the last thing I'm going to show you is this vacuum is a battery operated cordless vacuum. It's got some decent power, yet you're not going out and spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It comes with a couple of attachments. I didn't do a review on this, by the way. It's actually by a company called Fanttik. But, I turn it on, and then I can go on max mode. And it just does the job. So bottom line, we are very happy with these seat covers. And I'm glad I just bought the front because that's all I needed. If you want the full set, it's just a little bit more. I'll put all the links in the description. I hope you also like the other products we showed you. Again, not sponsored. And like to share some of the products that we have proven ourselves by using them. So if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. And I sure hope you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.